What is HVAC carbon monoxide? How to prevent it? Every year, thousands of people become ill from carbon monoxide poisoning. Homeowners can reduce the likelihood of hazardous carbon monoxide exposures by taking preventive steps. Where does carbon monoxide come from? Most often, HVAC carbon monoxide incidents happen because of a malfunctioning furnace or appliance. How to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning? Having a fully trained HVAC technician thoroughly inspect your HVAC system is critical when taking preventive steps. Here are a few tips on preventing carbon monoxide exposure. Be sure that your furnace is always properly maintained. Be sure all appliances are vented properly. Have those flues and vents inspected by a licensed technician as well. Monitoring for any cracks, corrosion, debris in or around them, blockages or holes is especially important. Maintain all appliances properly and have them professionally installed. Install carbon monoxide detectors in your home. If you are concerned about the risk that you may have a leak or have not had your system inspected previously, call our team at 818-322-0925 for immediate help.